Welcome to Little Yacht Sales. This is our 1985 Hatteras 43 motor yacht that has been beautifully remodeled. Hatteras has a reputation for building strong boats that perform well in all conditions. This motor yacht was built on a solid fiberglass modified V hull with a deep keel for directional stability. She has air conditioning, twin Caterpillar diesels, Onan generator, and much more. The foredeck is enclosed by a stainless steel bow pulpit and teak-covered handrails. The anchor windlass is electric and there's a saltwater washdown. The spacious aft deck is the perfect area for entertaining and relaxing. A custom hardtop and full Strataglass enclosure lets the space be used year-round. The wet bar features a sink, mini fridge, and a flat-screen TV. Go up the steps to enter the large Flybridge with plenty of seating and storage. The Bimini top with Strataglass encloses the space, and the L-shaped settee to port has storage below. The dinghy is stored on the hardtop with a Marquip davit. The helm is well laid out for ease of operation and features Garmin and Raymarine electronics. Go down just 3 steps and we're in the spacious salon with comfortable seating, 6'8" headroom, and a bright interior. The large windows feature custom energy-efficient shades. The mahogany paneling has been well maintained and the flooring was recently redone. Forward and down from the salon is the mid-level galley. It's very open and well equipped for preparing meals. Features include an Empress 3-burner electric stove and oven, stainless steel sink and a recently updated microwave, and full-size refrigerator and freezer. The guest stateroom has a double V berth with drawers under, a large hanging locker to port, and private access to the forward head. The forward head has a vanity with sink and storage below, a vacuum flush toilet, and a separate stall shower. There is also a second entrance for use as a dayhead. The spacious master stateroom is aft and down 3 steps. It features a centerline queen-sized berth with an extended 4 inches of length, and there is ample storage with drawers both to port and starboard, as well as 2 cedar-lined hanging lockers. The washer and dryer is hidden away. The ensuite head features a vanity with sink and storage, vacuum flush toilet, and an enclosed shower stall. The engine room can be accessed through hatches in the salon floor. Located here are the twin 375 horsepower Caterpillar diesel engines and the 8 kilowatt Onan generator. This Hatteras 43 is a dependable and efficient motor yacht and has been renovated and well maintained by her current owner. The full specs and asking price are at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing for more boat tours. For more listings, visit our website.